Hello students, welcome back. In the previous class, in the last class, we have discussed about perimeter of shapes. Perimeter means the total length of the sides of a shape. If we need to fence a plot or we need to find out the length of the sides, there we use perimeter. And we have discussed about Neha and Bridget's card making. And here is their cards, Neha's card and Bridget's card. Can you please say whose card is bigger one? Whose card is bigger? So today we are going to discuss that. How will you compare two shapes? For that we need to find out their areas. So today we are going to discuss about area and volume. First one is area. For comparing two or more shapes, we use area. To find out the bigger one or smaller one, there we use area. Area means we found the area. How will you find the area of a rectangle? And what is the formula for find the area of a square? First one is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle means its length into its breadth. Length into breadth is the area of a rectangle. Area of rectangle is L into B, length into breadth. To find out the area of a rectangle, we use the formula length into breadth. And for finding the area of a square, we know the sides of a square are equal. So for finding the area of a square, we multiply side into side, side into side. That is area of a square. Area of a square is side into side, and area of a rectangle is length into its breadth. And the area of a square is side into side. You must by heart these formulas. Perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, area of a rectangle and area of square. These four equations you must by heart. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square 4 into side length of the side. Area of a rectangle length into breadth and area of square side into side. And the unit of the area. Unit for measuring area can be square centimeter, square meter and square kilometer. If side of a square is 7 centimeter, and what will be its area? 7 into 7, it is 49. 49 square centimeters, its unit. We use square with that unit, square centimeter. For finding the perimeter, the unit is, if it is centimeter, then the answer centimeter. We got it in centimeter. But for finding the area, we use a word square. Centimeter square, square centimeter, kilometer square, square kilometer or square meter. If it's kilogram, square kilo. Okay, we use the length. For length means need to find the distance. It is the units for the distance: kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, millimeter. They are the units, 7 units. So for measuring the units of area can be square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer. We need to add the term square. For the answer, we need to use square, then the unit. Okay. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, area of square, side into side, a unit, square, then the given unit. Okay. We need to find whose card is bigger. Find the area of Neha's card measures 9 centimeter in length and 7 centimeter in breadth. Length of Neha's card is 9 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. How will you find its area? You need to find the area. Area of a rectangle. Neha's card is a rectangle shape. So area of rectangle equal to length into its breadth. Its length into its breadth. Here the length is equal to 9 centimeter and the breadth is equal to 7 centimeter. So the area is 9 into 7, 63 square centimeter. The unit is square centimeter. The area's unit is square centimeter. Square, then the unit square centimeter. 63 square centimeter is the area of Neha's card. Length 9, breadth 7, area is equal to length into breadth. 9 into 7 is 63 square centimeter. Now we need to find out the area of Bridget's card. Bridget's card measure 7 centimeter in length. The side length of the side is 7 centimeter. How will you find the area of Bridget's card? It is a square shaped card. So the area of square is equal to side into side. One side is 7 centimeter, so 7 into 7, that is equal to 49 square centimeter. 49 square centimeter. Neha's card is 63 square centimeter. Vijay's card is 49 square centimeter. So Neha's card is the bigger one. For finding the area of a rectangle, we use length into breadth. For finding the area of a square, we use side into side. Here area is 49. First one's area, Neha's card's area is 63 square centimeter. Bridget's card is 49 square centimeter. So Neha's card is the bigger one. Now we can discuss. Let us try 9.2 questions. First question is the fourth question. A mason is tiling the floor of a room with blue square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter long. Here they gave the side, one side of the square tile. The floor is 450 centimeter long and 250 centimeter wide. How many tiles does the mason need? Here they gave, there is a room. Its length is 400, a floor, its length is 450 centimeter and the breadth is 250 centimeter, and a mason need to tile the floor. He need to tile the floor, and each tile is square shaped and its side is 10 centimeter. Square means each side is 10 centimeter. We need to find out how many tiles he need to tile this floor. How will you find it? How will you find how many tiles he need to tile this floor? Here first we need to find out the area of this shape. First we need to find out the area of this full floor. Then only we can find how many tiles needed. First we need to find out the area of the floor. Area of the floor. Floor is rectangle shaped. So for finding the area of rectangle, we need to multiply length into breadth, that is 450 into 250. Why I didn't use perimeter? Because perimeter means it is about the length of the sides. If we need full of a shape, that where we use area. If you want to color this board, or I need to decorate this board, there we used to find out the area. Or I need to decorate the sides only, or I want to color the sides only, there we use perimeter. Okay, inside we use area, only outside that is perimeter. Okay, now we need to find out so here we need to find out the area of the floor. 450 into 250, multiply 45 with 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 2 5s are 10, carry over 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, add 5, 2, 11. Add 2 zeros because the question have 2 zeros. 1, 1, 2, 5, 0, 0 square centimeter is the area of the floor. 1,12,500 square centimeter is the area of the floor. Next we need to find out how many tiles we need to find to need for tiling. We need to find out the area of that tile also, then only we can understood. Area of, next we need to find out the area of tile. It is square shaped, so 10 into side into side. One side is 10 centimeter, 10 into 10, it is 100 square centimeter. Now we found the area of the floor and the area of one tile. Total and area of one tile is given. How will you find out the number of tiles? For finding the number of tiles, we need to divide total area by the area of the tile. 1,12,500 divided by 100. Answer is 11. Answer is 1,125. 1,125 tiles we need to tile this floor. And we divide 12,500 by 100, just cut the 2 zeros, the remaining number 1,125 is the number of tiles. We need 1,125 tiles to tile that floor. Once more I will tell, here the length of the room, that is equal to 450, and the width or the breadth of the room is given, that is 250 centimeter. First we need to find out the area of that floor, then only we can find how many tiles needed. Area is equal to length into breadth. 450 into 250, that is 1,12,500 square centimeter. And then they gave the one side of a tile, that is 10 centimeter. We need to find out the area of one tile, that is equal to 100 square centimeter. We found the area of the floor and the area of one tile. Just divide the two, then we found the number of tiles required, that is equal to area of the room divided by area of one tile, that is 1,12,500 divided by 100. Answer is 1,125 tiles. Next question, fifth question. A perimeter of a square wall clock is 200 centimeter. The perimeter of a square wall clock is 200 centimeter. The first one is, what is the length of the sides of the clock? How will you find the length? Perimeter is given. Perimeter of a square is given, that is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter is 200 centimeter equal to 4 into side. Side is equal to, just divide 200 by 4 is equal to 50. 200 divided by 4 is 20 divided by 4, 5, 0. It is 50. So the length of one side is 50 centimeter. First one answer is found, that is 50 centimeter. Next one, second question, what is the area of the clock? Side is given. How will you find the area? Area of a square equal to side into side, that is equal to 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25, 20 square centimeter. Answer is 2,500 square centimeter. Area is 2,500 square centimeter. One side is 15 centimeter. Question is, the perimeter is given. We need to find out its perimeter of a square is given. We need to find out its sides length and area. For finding the sides length, we use the equation perimeter of a square is 4 into length of the side, that is equal to 200 equal 4 into length of the side. From that, length of one side is equal to 200 divided by 4, 50 centimeter. Next question, length of, we need to find out the area. Length is given, it is 50 centimeter. So the area of a square is side into side, 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter, that is 2500 then square centimeter. Units for measuring area is square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer. Okay, so area of a square, area of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is, perimeter of a rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square 4 into side. Area of a square is side into side. Area of a rectangle is L into B, length into breadth. Next one is volume. How will you find the volume? What is volume? Volume is the space occupied by an object. Volume is the space occupied by an object, that is volume. The volume of an object is found by counting the number of unit cubes that can be fit in the object. Just count the number of cubes in an object. For finding the volume, just count the number of cubes in that shape. Volume is always measured in cubic unit. The unit is cubic unit. Volume's unit is cubic unit. Here, we need to find out the volume of this shape. How will you find? Just count the number of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the volume of this shape is 9 cubic unit. For finding the volume, just count the number of cubes in that shape. Just count the number of cubes in that shape. So today we discuss area and volume. In this chapter we discuss about perimeter, area, volume. You must by heart the equations. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Area of square side into side. Area of rectangle length into breadth, and the volume. Volume is, how will you find the volume? Just count the number of cubes in that shape. The volume of an object is found by counting the number of unit cube that can be fit in the object. Okay, and the unit for the perimeter is the given one, centimeter, kilometer or meter, and the area's unit is square, centimeter, kilometer or meter, and the unit of volume is measuring unit cubes. It is cubic unit, and the unit for measuring volume is cubic unit. For the perimeter we use centimeter, meter, the given one. For area, square, centimeter, meter, kilometer. For volume it is cubic unit. Okay, and your homework questions, let us try 9.2, question number 1, 2, 8 and 9. Question number, let us try 9.3, question number 1 and 4. So today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.